We are back, 16-10. Cagayan Valley with a 6-point lead. Chua Lim on your screens. Well, not really doing too much right here in the first set.
Nagpe-pace sila,
Yes,
no?
right, that's right.
Dahil alam nila na sa loob ng isang linggo, minsan natatatlohan sila ng laro.
This is off the block. Prochina using her experience, seeing two blockers in front of her. Coach Ronnie, pinatama.
Tama yan.
Still getting that point.
In their game against FEU, these two reinforcements also played limited minutes. And likewise for today, mukhang asahan na naman nila si Sandra De Los Santos. Bakit? Dahil after today's game, mukhang ang kakaharapin nila ay napakalakas. At nila yung kupunan ng Philippine Army on Tuesday.
Wow, that's a good one.
Yes, at pag binilang natin yung game spread, halos every play date, naglalaro ka talaga. Sometimes for coaches, they want to look ahead.
That's true.
Forward thinking and just making sure that everybody's fresh and efficient come the next tough game.
This is going overboard and Galido not able to keep it in play. Lucky break there for Cagayan Valley.
Yung iba talaga kasi kasamang Doc sinusukat lang nila yung kalaban. Kung ano lang yung kinakailangan. And even the Olympics na kinover natin, nakikita natin yun, di ba? Pag mataas ang antas ng kalaban, mataas din rin ang alaro ng mga kapunan.
That's true.
Pero pag alam nila na kaya nila, kung ano rin lang na effort ang kinakailangan, yun lang ang ibibigay nila.
And the coaches really plan this ahead, Coach.
Yes, kasama yan.
Kasama yan sa practices, 2 or 3 practices before the important game. Andun na yung plano.
These are not machines. These are athletes. Athletes will get tired. Athletes will have their ups and downs. Ika nga, no? Hindi naman pwedeng lagi kang nasa peak. Napakahirap niyan.
Like this one, Form Pimol, she is very reliable, and with those kinds of sets, it's so hard to stop her with a block that is a bit wide with some gap, and napakahirap depensa. And this time it's Tubino and Porpimol ganging up on Kite Rosale.
The best attacker, defended, checked, contained, rejected. 8-point advantage, Cagayan.
Shakey's, if it's fun family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
Todo mo na yung talon mo, tapos sapal ka pa. No?
And Porpimol and Tubino, they're also very tall, so napakahirap talagang palusutan. This time, this is off Joy Cases, trying to keep that ball in play, misjudging that one. 20-13, CVRS with 7-point lead. Nice service
floater, nice floater. Alam mo, Doc, I got so used to the playing arena of the San Juan gym, the San Juan Arena. Naninibago ako sa vantage point natin. Of course, nakapag-cover na tayo rito ng club championship, kung di ako nagkakamali. Asian Club Championships na ginawa rito.
But it's actually a lot bigger.
Yes.
Nice save by the Philippine Navy. Rosale gets called for an overreach. Because, well, of course, you got to give Andaya that opportunity to still set it up.
And although Rosale does not agree, that was a good call. This point will move Cagayan 4 points away from closing out this first set. In comes Manzano. Ganito kalakas ang roster ng Cagayan.
Cabriana and Manzano coming in as
relievers.
Itong tawag dyan situational substitution. You always want to have 3 attackers still up in front. So, kaya ginawa yung 2-man substitution na yun.
Very seldom does Tubino get scored on, especially in the battle at the net. But she lost her footing. Nobody came in to support her initial effort. Still on top by 6.
Carpio with a good serve. Manzano's first crack at it, dug up by the Philippine Navy's Suson. Carpio again. Rosale hits it too wide. That was a good set. Only 1 blocker. But she hit it too wide.
Naghahanap siya ng check ball
Hindi, malayo. Malayo. Walang salat. And Philippine Navy calling their second timeout. Let's listen in.
Huwag na tayo mag-error. Habulin natin yun. Kaya. Pag gumalaw kayo, pupuntos tayo.
All right. Tupino is getting ready to serve. Nice serve. Off speed from Kite. Chualim deflected by the block of Rosale. He gets it back again. This time, De Los Santos is guilty of a net touch. And Kite Rosale gets that point for the Philippine Navy.
I have always been a big fan of Janet Serafica, ever since the time she was still playing for the UAAP. Many years ago, and many years from that time, she continues to be at the top of her game. Oops! That's a mishit coming from Rosale. Buti hindi na piso yung kanyang kasama ron.
Si Serafica.
Diretso.
Madalas mangyari sa akin dati.
Siyempre, di mo ipapahalata. Masakit eh. Sa batok eh.
Pero, nagkabalikan lang po ng service error. Chualim just returns the favor. And now it's just 4 points. Itong Philippine Navy, or 5 points, I'm sorry. It's 23 to 17. That's 3 points. Uy! Wow, a service error again.
Kung lamang ka, pwede yan. Kung naghahabol ka at padulo na yung kalaban mo, masakit yan.
That is set point right there.
7 set point
service, with a service error. Free ball for Cagayan Valley. Wow, Joy Casas. Tough angle. First line spike for Joy Casas ends this first set 25 to 17, going in favor of the Cagayan Valley Rising Suns.
Too many weapons, Dokian. Too many weapons for Cagayan. Too big, too fast, too good in the first set against Philippine Navy. Joy Casas getting the job done, closing out the set for the Rising Suns.
That's our shaky shake and play, and we'll be right back with the second set after this short break.